Alrighty, here's the two products we're going to be trying out on the four-wheeler while we're cleaning it. Some super clean all-wheel cleaner and some just super clean multi-purpose degreaser, I guess. So we'll spray it all down and let it sit for a minute and spray it off and see what happens. See how good this stuff is. Alright, we got it all sprayed down with the all-wheel cleaner and the multi-purpose degreaser. I kind of soaked the motor real heavy in it. It does say on the back of the bottle to avoid prolonged use on aluminum, so don't probably want it to sit on there for too long, but I am curious if it's going to get rid of the mud stain look on the motor, because I haven't found anything yet that'll get rid of that, and I'd be impressed if it even helps the slightest bit. So we're going to let it set for 30 seconds, probably a little longer just for good luck, and spray it down and kind of see what we end up with. See if it was worth buying or not. Alrighty. Look good? Not yet? Alright, we'll get it sprayed off and see. Well, it's definitely loosened up the mud. It's flying off. Normally I'd be fighting with it. I don't know, it's definitely good for breaking up dried up mud on there. Definitely just spraying it off a little bit, and it's coming a lot shinier. Wow. Now that's looking good. Let's finish it up and we'll see what it looks like. You can see the mud right there. That was some caked on stuff, and it's just stripping it right off. So alrighty, so far so good. Alrighty, that was the first clean off. I sprayed it all down and did nothing more but wait and let it do its thing, and kind of sprayed it off, and the wheels definitely are cleaner. It did say on the bottle for like heavier dirt and stuff to agitate a little bit with a brush, but I didn't do none of that. I just wanted to see what kind of power it had, and I mean it's pretty good. Like I said, I'll let you be the judge. The motor actually does look a little bit cleaner. I could probably use a brush and maybe clean it up a little better. Not bad though, really. I'm actually really surprised. This is what I used, super clean all-wheel cleaner and super clean, I guess it's a multi-purpose. Got them at AutoZone. That's the first time I've ever seen them there, so I thought I'd try it out. Sweet. I'm gonna throw my fender flares back on there and she'll be looking great. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I highly recommend it, because I don't like doing a lot of scrubbing and cleaning, and I didn't have to with that, but probably get the brush out and do a little fine detail, but not bad. Just thought I'd share that with y'all. Happy prospecting, happy treasure hunting, and happy mudding. Alrighty. Alright, one more final look at it, and we'll let it dry off a little more and put it away. Not too bad. Did clean the motor up a little bit, but didn't bring it back to brand new. See, I didn't even spray inside them. I didn't even spray inside here. You can see the difference. I should have sprayed on the inside of the wheels too, but I'll do a lot more cleaning on it. But that just goes to show you right there what it would have looked like if I didn't use anything. That's crazy. Yeah, I could have got a brush and cleaned it a little better, but I'm not complaining. 2 thumbs up for me.